guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just checking me out for the first time, you can check out my playlist and go through each subscription that I unbox. Today, happy Thursday or Friday depending on when I post this, is a new unboxing. This company is called FASHOM. Basically it's a little bit different, and the difference would be one, you have to send it back within 3 days if you don't like whatever you don't like in your box. If you want to check them out, check out the link below in the description. You can get your first box for free with a $10 credit towards whatever you'd like to purchase. And you can also check out my Instagram, Italian_shorty pants, and it will be in the description usually of the post for that company. Another difference would be that when you keep all 5 items in the box, you get 30% off the entire box, which is different from the other companies. And if you keep 3 items, you get 25% off, plus your styling fee. It's a styling service. Also, let's see, you get you can return everything free of charge, no matter how much you send back. If you have any questions, comment down below. Here's the box here, and here's what it kind of looks like inside. You get an envelope that says "Hello Beautiful" with all of your paperwork in here. It says thank you on the back. We'll get into that in a second. Your return envelope, and of course, here's what the paper looks like. It's really cute. Of course, your bundle. Another thing that is different from, we'll just throw that aside as usual. Another thing that's different with this company or this styling service is my train of thought is gone for a second here. Oh, I'm sorry. You can pick, they basically give you choices on the app or on the website before you get your box that will say, hey, which items do you like, which items don't you like, and you can choose 5 items that you're interested in them sending you. If you don't respond within a certain amount of time, they'll just send you whatever they want within the selections that they show you. So we're going to get into it now. Here's the bundle here. Oh, actually, you know what? We'll read our invoice and our letter at the end this time. Okay, first item we have here is really, really pretty. I love this color. It's a wine color. This is Chris and Carol, and it's a top. It's really pretty. Lace top with a cold shoulder. Really pretty. Here's the bottom here. Here's the back. Feels good quality. I don't know if you can see the pattern or not, but man, that's pretty pretty, really pretty. So that's item number 1. Let's see, the second item here is blue. And we have a wrap type dress. This is by, I don't know if it's Gilli or Gilli, G-I-L-L-I. Here's the front. Has a tie waist, short sleeves. And the back is like a V-neck, which that's different. I like that. It's cute. I hope it looks good on. Let's see, next we have Very J. It was an olive, really pretty olive top with some lattice design on the front here. Short sleeve. Here's the back. It has like a keyhole. That's cute as well. Really soft. Next we have a navy blue Lulla collection by Binya. This is pretty. I really like this. With some fringe on the bottom here. This is a kimono. This is gorgeous. I really like this a lot. Short sleeve. With some fringe on the bottom here. Fringe finish. Really pretty. Really nice. I like that a lot. I hope that fits well. And the fifth, or the last item is, these might be too big. Sculpt denim ankle skinny jeans in dark wash. Yeah, these look way too big. I probably won't even try these on camera because I see here the size and that's not the size that was indicated when shipped. It's way too big for me. So unfortunately, these I won't even try on because they're too large. Way too large. But here's what the back looks like. That's unfortunate. That makes me sad. So those won't be tried on. But, so that's all 5 items. So stay tuned for the try-on. And after the try-on, we'll do a little recap, a price. We'll get into the prices and the letter, the stylist curated letter to me. So we'll be back in a few, or I'll be back in a few. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm still sad about the jeans not being my size and being really big. I liked both tops. I also really like the kimono. The dress, I'm so about. So let's get into what's inside this envelope here. It says, "Hello Angela, thank you for styling." I need to slow down again. "Hello Angela, thank you for styling with FASHOM." Hello. Did you have a nice nap? For the first time, based on your preferences and styling requests, plus inspo from your Instagram and other amazing socials, I have curated this comfortable yet chic selection for you that I think could include some great additions to your spring wardrobe with fun details and updated silhouettes. I really love the Chris and Carol lace cold shoulder top. Me too. Especially though because it can carry you from day to night so easily. Please note that some of our sizes do run a bit differently. Aha. So we do not encourage you to give So we do encourage you to give everything a try, which the sizes are all over the place, I must say. I hope you're having an amazing start to your spring season, Kristen. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. We also have a handwritten note, which is adorable. It says, "Hi Angela, welcome to the FASHOM family. I am so glad you are here. Kristen, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable." That's cute. And then it has some directions on the back about what's next. Try before you buy and purchase your favorites. We encourage you to try on every item your stylist has picked for you. To complete your order, go to the My Styles tab on FASHOM app or FASHOM.com and select which items to keep and which to send back. Hit checkout to complete your order. And then it goes into exchanges and returns. Another thing that's great about this styling service is it says save big on they give back to the community. Save big on spending excuse me. Let me try that again. Save big on spending while you save rescue dogs, which I can't even express how awesome that is. I am a huge animal lover, and I think that's absolutely great. I support it 100%. It says, while you have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return, remember if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. For each FASHOM box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs, which I think that's amazing. So I'm a supporter for sure. Now let's get into the prices here. The first item, which is the Chris and Carol lace cold shoulder top in wine, is $45. The Lulla collection Yasmin navy floral kimono, I really like that, is $39. The 1822 denim Lina ankle jeans, which the size is not what it says here. Unfortunately, I couldn't try those on because they were way too large. $67. The solid top with keyhole and olive is $35. the Gilli or Gilli royal blue faux wrap dress in royal blue, I just said that, or listed twice, is $57. You get a $10 credit, like I said, for joining. You don't have to pay that $10 credit if you use my link. You get the box for free, but you also get a $10 credit like you did pay. Again, the styling charge for this company is $15 per box that you get to put towards your contents in the box or your purchases. The subtotal for the 5 items is $243. The 5 item discount at 30% off is $72.90, which brings the total to $170.10. I also have a $10 credit, so that would be $160.10. And if you get 3 or 4 pieces, it's 25% off. So, yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the alert bell for my uploads. Stay safe and definitely practice social distancing. Heed, like I said, all the warnings, and for the safety of yourself and of others, please stay home and only go out when absolutely necessary. And if you're not feeling well, definitely stay home and do not go out, self-quarantine. So on that note, thank you for joining me once again. Until the next one, rock on.